Let's make the 3-ingredient viral chocolate-covered frozen yogurt clusters. They are no-bake, dairy-free, gluten-free, vegan, so easy to make and so delicious. Simply mix one single-serve container of dairy-free yogurt with 1.5 cups of fresh berries. I used raspberries and blueberries and a chickpea protein-based yogurt. Spoon onto a parchment-lined tray or freezer-safe plate and freeze for about 2 hours. Once the clusters are firm, prepare another parchment-lined tray or freezer-safe plate. Then melt 7 ounces of chocolate. Here I used a microwave, breaking up 2 3.5-ounce vegan chocolate bars into small pieces and microwaving in 30-second intervals at half power, mixing in between each interval. I've linked a video on how to melt chocolate in the description below. There are several ways. Let me know if you have any questions about this or other methods. Moving quickly, one by one, coat each yogurt cluster in the melted chocolate by dunking each into the melted chocolate and flipping with a fork to fully coat. Then place on parchment paper and immediately sprinkle on any toppings before the chocolate sets. I topped these with shredded coconut. Chopped nuts would be great as well. Next, place your chocolate-covered yogurt clusters back in the freezer to set for about 10 to 15 minutes. This recipe is so customizable. You can use other flavors of yogurt, different fruit like diced strawberries or mango, add nuts, seeds, or dried fruit. Try with dairy-free milk chocolate or white chocolate. What flavor combinations sound good to you? Let me know in the comments below. To make these a little lighter, instead of dunking them in chocolate, you can just drizzle the chocolate on top. Whatever you don't eat, you can store in a freezer-safe container for up to a few weeks. So good. If you like easier, healthier, plant-based desserts like this,
That was really good. It's definitely worth the
you
hype.
may enjoy these other recipe videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.